Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a Citroen C4 Cactus, 69 reg, one owner, diamond cut alloys, privacy glass, remote central locking, rear parking sensors, power steering, side airbags. This is your instruction manuals in here. Isofix rear seats. Helps if you push the right button. You might have a spare wheel. Locking wheel nut key in there as well. And a reversing camera as well. Electric front windows. Vehicle's done 20,099 miles. You can see there. There's a USB and a power outlet there. Automatic, obviously. Heater control, navigation, reversing camera, music. This is your apps. It's Android Auto, Neuralink, Apple CarPlay, telephone. This one is your different settings on the vehicle. Automatic lights, automatic wipers, cruise control speed limiter, multi-function steering wheel where you can change all the settings and that. This button here controls this up here, gives you the trip meter, 2 trips, voice activation, panoramic roof.
How can I help you with POI?
So pocket here, nice pocket here to store stuff as well. There's electric door mirrors here, and when you lock the vehicle, mirrors park. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.